Okay, dear children, now today let us discuss with the 8th lesson matter. In the previous class, we discussed about the 3 states of matter, that is solid and liquid in detail. Today's class, let us learn about the another state of matter, that is gases. The another state of matter is what? It is gases. So here, as you all know that the gases, they have no fixed volume or shape. They don't have fixed volume nor shape. They expand to fill all available spaces. So what happens in gases? They expand to fill all available places. Wherever space is there, they expand to fill it all available places. For example, where we are living, it is all surrounded with air. Yes or no? It is all surrounded with the air. Atoms in gas. So how are the atoms arranged in the gases? Atoms in the gas, they are arranged freely. They move freely. The particles, they move freely. For example, see here. For example, just it is an imaginary. In the gas, the atoms, they move freely here and there. They move freely. So here, they do not have a definite volume nor definite shape. But once, listen here, as you know that atoms in a gas are free to move independently from each other, because the atoms in the gas are moving at a random, the gaseous state is the simplest to describe mathematically. If you blow air in a balloon, it takes the shape of the balloon. For example, not only that, if you blow air, if you take a balloon, if you blow air inside the balloon is going to take the shape of the container. Yes or no? అంటే ఒక బలూన్ తీసుకొని దాంట్లో మనం ఎయిర్ బ్లో చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? The balloon is going to take the shape of the container. Yes or no? Okay, now let us learn once again, recall about the 3 states of matter here. See here, the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Yes sir, the 3 states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. These are the 3 states of matter. These are the 3 states of matter. States of matter. Okay, now I will show you some of the examples and some of the pictures of the solids, liquids and gases here in the course book. Okay, first all of you look at this course book. Here you can see some of the examples of solids, liquids and gases. Here the examples of solids are hat, skateboard, table, pencil, bicycle, computer, tree house. Yes or no? These are some of the examples of solid. Okay, next we will move to the liquids here. The examples of liquids are water in a pond, drink, milk, hot chocolate, juice, soup, again drink, rain. These are the examples for liquids. And next we will move to the gases here. Here, wind, air, hot air balloon, wind from fan, wind. These are some of the examples of solid, liquids and gases. So, apart from this, we can give many examples also, but in your course book, only few examples are given here. Okay, next let us discuss about change of state here. As you all know that everything in the world is made of matter. Yes or no? Everything in the world is made up of what? Matter. Here, walls are made of matter, milk is made of matter and even air is made of matter. Matter comes in 3 different states. As you all know that everything is made up of matter here. Here wall, even our cells also. Our cells is made up of matter. Even the wall, blackboard, duster, table, milk, whatever you think, everything in the world is made up of matter. As you know that matter, there are 3 states of matter are there. They are solid, liquid and gases. Here the solids can be hard and soft. All solids will keep their shape unless you do something to change them. The shape of solids like clay are easily changed. See here, all solids, they remain their shape as it is in their original form until we change their shape. Like a clay, they do not change they can easily change the shape, clay. Yes or no? Solids like wood are much harder and not easy to change the shape. Liquids have no shape. Yes or no? As we know that solids like wood are much harder. They are very harder to change the shape. But liquids they do not have a definite shape. If you pour a glass of water, it will take the shape of the glass. If you pour a water in a glass, water in a glass the water is going to take the shape of the container. So we are saying that liquids they have a definite volume but not a definite shape. But if the water spills, it will spread out. Some liquids are thick like a cold milkshake and some are thin like apple juice. Liquids can be very different from each other, but they all can be poured. Liquids, whether they are thick or thin, they can be poured into other vessels. Yes or no? Other container. Gases. Now let us discuss about the gases. Gases have no shape. Yes or no? Here is a gas, and like air, most gases are invisible, and you cannot see most gases, but you can feel them. If you spin around fast, you can feel air move against you. When you feel wind against your face, you are feeling a gas. Air is all around you. Gases spread out to fill any container they are in, even really big spaces also. See what they are saying here, gases means we cannot see the gases, but we can feel the presence of the gas. We can feel the presence of the gas. Just you have to feel the presence of the gas means yourself you have to turn round fastly only for few seconds. So when you turn your end fast means what happens? There you are feeling the presence of air near you, surrounding you. Yes or no? So your gases, not only that, you can be filled in any of the container also. It can be filled like a balloon, hot air balloon. Here the gases are filled there. Yes or no? It can fill in any other container also, like a balloons, hot air balloon, example. Yes or no? Even in really big spaces, even in the big spaces also the air can be filled.